So we're going to look into making a Tukios video from the Make It Personal site. We start off making sure you're logged into Make It Personal, and you can either enter a new case or fill from a past case. In this example, we're just going to fill from a past case. So we check the box, case name. You can either use the drop down or we can search. In this case, I'm going to search. And it's going to be this case. And we're going to say select product. Now here we don't have any existing designs. It's a brand new decedent's case. So what we want to do, come down here, click on Tribute Video with the Tukios symbol. Click here to start creating your video in a new tab. Just simply click here and you get redirected to the Tukios site. Now by default, your video introductory text is going to say "In Loving Memory." The title is going to show up with the decedent's name. It'll be their full name. Subtitle is going to show up with year of birth through year of death. And if you have an organization's logo, you can check this to show it on the DVD label and jacket. With our theme, you can go through and choose the theme that you like. And in this instance, we're going to choose the MIP family tree. You have the customize option here below. Let's take a look at that. And when you click customize, it comes up with your name, and you can choose to include an intro and the outro. Sometimes people choose to forego this if they just want to do like a true slideshow. There won't be an intro and an outro, and you can preview both by simply clicking on preview, and it gives you the representation of what it's going to show before it actually starts showing the slideshow. And you can also change the intro text, title, subtitle. Here under more of the custom options, so you can choose a background image for your text slides. And what those are is slides you actually put into the slideshow that have just a background and text if you want to do some type of announcement or some type of custom intro. You can choose a file for that shows up on the background. You can also choose a file for your DVD jacket, DVD label, if you don't want to go with the default. And you can customize those texts as well. Same with the DVD menu. When you actually create the DVD, you can choose a custom file for that menu. Once you're done with that, you can click Next. Next, it takes us to the upload link. You'll see here you can send the family a link, and it can let them add their own photos and videos to the Tukios. You can enable the link by simply clicking on the slider, and it gives you the link right here. You can copy it and send it to email, or you can click on the email button and that will open up a email client like Outlook. You can send it that way, or you can send it via text. Tukios has that option. Settings here, you can change these. You can put in a note to the family. Let's say you want to let them know you set a 50 photo upload limit. You can set that by turning on photo limit, type in your limit, and also you can enable full access. Now from here, they're given a link. They can actually get into Tukios and they can control the overall design of it. Now to maybe save some a little bit of frustration on the funeral home's end, you might not want to enable them that full access. Close that out, and next we go into our slides. Now here is where you can upload the different photos and the different videos for this case. Alright, so you can click on the upload photos/video button. That'll take you to your storage on your computer, and wherever you have photos saved, whether the family's provided them with you, whether you've scanned them in, or they've given you the electronic copy, just go from your computer and upload. You can do the Windows drag method, you can do the individual, you can also hold control and select individual ones. In this case, I just want to say details, and I want to go with type, and then I'm just going to hold shift and upload all of my photos. I'm going to say open. Depending on your internet speed, it may or may not take a while to upload. So once all your photos are uploaded, you have different options here. You can add text, and what this will do, it'll actually bring up a slide with a background. You can go from a text library, Bible verses, pets, quotes. You can search in there, reuse a text, preview, enter your own custom text. Let's say in this case for text, I want to say, in loving memory. You can customize text for any panel that you want to add in here, just like this. It's a text panel. Say done. And it will add it here in your overall slide count. You can move it around wherever you'd like, place it in the order that you wish. Another one is add stock clips. You have different clips that you can add in here. We're going to add in the autumn leaves falling, and we will add the clip. It puts it in the end by default, and once again you can reorder these however you like simply by clicking and dragging. Now let's look at the more option here. Customize the overall look of the video. Now you have your different transitions. This is how the slides transition between one and the other. When they're highlighted, they're selected, they're turned on. You can turn them off and on by clicking them. You have your different effects for the video. You choose a film strip scene, none, a photo array, and to preview them you just hover over top of them and it'll show you how the different effect works in the slideshow. Let's click on the overlays. The overlays, you can turn these on and it'll add these different effects to them. Let's click on borders, and here it's just as it states. You can have no borders, rounded, slightly rounded, and you get the idea. Just different border options. Now with the backgrounds, you can choose your different background setting, but with these it's only one, and this would be the background effect behind the photos if they have transitions to them. And when you're done, just click done. Let's go back into more, shuffle slides. It does simply what it says. It'll randomly reorder all the slides. Restore deleted slides. If for some reason, let's say you click on a photo and you delete it out, what you can do is either use that undo there or click more, restore deleted slides, and you can bring that one back by undelete. Next option, download photos. This comes in handy when you've turned on that upload link and the family, they upload photos and they're only in Tukios, but you want to use them for other things. Maybe you want to incorporate them with something different and make it personal, or you want to incorporate it on the funeral home's website. You can download all of the photos that are in MIP and it'll download them to a zip file. You'll see down here in the bottom left, depending on your internet speed, It could take a while, depending on how many photos you do have. So once you have all your slides figured out, the different effects, and you're satisfied with the layout, click Next. This takes you to music. It's editing from the future because they changed one of the music settings. You can add music, click here. They have removed the mainstream music, so we have stock music or upload your own. When it comes to uploading your own, you have to make sure that you do have the copyright permissions to use the music. We can click back on stock. You have different categories to pick from. Let's go with most popular. And just for testing purposes, I'm going to choose the top two. You can preview those by clicking on the play button, and you can add them to your favorites. Let's say add 2 songs. Now we have them added here. You can preview here once again, but you can also edit. You can edit the volume. You can also edit the start time, end time, preview once again. And you see right here, it has our overall music length of 6 minutes 38 seconds, and the video is going to match up to that. That is because we have automatic seconds per slide turned on. You can uncheck that if you wish and set your own custom time, but it's always best practice to go with automatic. So we'll click Next. And in this next one, you get a preview of the video, how it's going to look. You can also share the preview. This gives you a URL to share with the family. You can email it to them or even text it to them and they can preview the video. So we'll go ahead and click on Next. Right here is where you order. It tells you the price of the video. Well, if you choose to order any of the extras, you get to do that through here as well. You have to click the I agree to stock music license, place order. It tells me that my order has been successfully placed. It is going to create the video at Tukios, and it'll notify you when it's ready. Once your video has completed, then you can order the hard copies of it. That would be DVDs from Tukios. Send a TV if you have the Tukios device on your network. That will send it straight to your television. You can download the HD video. What that does is that lets you put it on a thumb drive, and you can play it on a smart TV or share it between computers. Burn the DVD, or you can download the DVD file. Typically what you have to do is download the DVD file, and then you can go to your burning options. The best practice would be to download Image Burn. It's a freeware program on the internet, and it's perfect for burning DVDs. Or you can check out their burning help here with Tukios. They do offer a Tukios tool. We can click on that. What that does, I believe that integrates in Chrome, and you can kind of read all this on your own. You'll download the DVD file, and you click on the burn DVD. You can enable the Chrome extension. That'll add it into Google Chrome, which then lets you easily burn that DVD on your PC. That's a pretty easy way to get it done. That integrates into Google Chrome. Let's close out of this help page. You can print your labels, your DVD jacket, your DVD labels, the Avery sticky labels that actually stick onto the DVD, and stats. See if the video has been embedded, number of views, your order history, and extras. Once you've done this, you are free to get back into Make It Personal, and at this point you can simply close out of the Tukios tab, and back here at Make It Personal you just click here and you return to the case profile. And that concludes working in Tukios from MIP.